morning, everyone, from an extremely cold Los Angeles. I have a 6-hour painting class which starts at 10 and the time is now 3 minutes to 9. I left a little early because when it's raining like this, there's always accidents on the highway. I've actually had a few classes cancelled because of rain, which I always thought was a little strange. Like, I know it's raining and it's a lot, but it's not that big of a deal, really. But my teacher is English today, so he definitely was not cancelling for rain. Okay, yeah, we've already hit traffic for some reason. Yeah, 6-hour class today. And then it's the weekend. And it'll be raining all weekend. I think it'll be raining till Monday. So, yeah. Ugh. Oh my god. Do you ever get that morning nauseous feeling? Ugh. Ugh. I think it's from drinking water. Does drinking water in the morning make you feel nauseous? Ugh. Okay. No. There's the whole way, you'll see it. There's a whole front of a car's bumper just sitting there. Aye, aye, aye. Oh, and there's another car that got in a car crash. Is that another one? There's another car's bumper sitting right there. I didn't really have time to make a coffee this morning, and I have a bunch of Red Bulls at the house, but I've like kind of been getting in a habit recently of drinking an energy drink first thing in the morning. I don't think it's that different to just having a cup of coffee, but somehow it feels a lot more rogue. What do you think? I don't know. I mean, is it that different to coffee? But yeah, I don't know, something about downing a Red Bull in the morning as opposed to like sipping on a warm cup of coffee just seems like you're in for a different kind of day. I have raging anxiety, like horrible anxiety, like I'm on pretty high medications for it. So I just think that shotgunning a Red Bull in the morning is not probably advised for someone with my condition. I just don't know if that's, okay, that car just went through a fucking puddle and which splashed into my windshield, which doesn't sound that bad, except it was so much water, I just lost complete visibility and it sounded so insane. I'll see you at school, hopefully. I'll see you, yeah. Okay, we made it. That was crazy. That was so insane. Every time you drove past another car, they were flinging like so much water behind them that it would just like hit the windshield of my car. And then so I would like avoid all cars, which is like obviously kind of difficult on the freeway. And then I would see like a big truck coming. And so I would like speed up. I would go maybe like a bit closer to the speed limit because I was going like, everyone was driving like 20 miles under the speed limit. But then there was always that asshole that like didn't understand anything and was like speeding along and you're like trying to get out of the way. Okay, that was so crazy. It's so weird because I don't think this weather is unusual for other places. So do they have just like a better system for travel? Like, is driving easier in other places? Because surely that can't be people's commute every day. That was really scary. I'm also like terrified of hydroplaning because I'm not really sure what I would do in that situation. I'd probably, like, if you hydroplane on the freeway, like, that's bad, especially with like super low visibility. I guess we will go in. I'm wondering if passes. I mean, I know I was just like, oh, people, it's so weird to like cancel class if it's raining, but that seems pretty dangerous to drive in. I have to go get a coffee because struggling a bit. Right, let's get a coffee. Go pick up stuff from my studio for class. It's like so quiet in the school. I'm like wondering if people are not coming in. day and do work, but the rain is not any better. Actually, it's a little worse. If we thought driving to school was scary, if we thought driving in the rain was scary during the day, I don't even want to know what it's going to be like at night.